In this video, I'm going to take a look at the new contact sheet functionality that's available in version 17.04 and Portal 4.04. This functionality is available in the base Xinet product. I'm going to be showing this functionality using a style and a skin called Transition, which is available from IO integration. So the look and feel is slightly different, but the functionality is exactly the same. So here I log in with my username and password, and once I've logged in, I'm going to navigate to a folder of assets. In this folder I have a lot of imagery, but you can use this functionality with videos, you can use it with documents, anything where you get a preview, you can use the contact sheet functionality. So I'm going to go ahead and add all of my images to the shopping basket. And once I've done that, I'm then going to show the basket. And in here you see that we have, inside the shopping basket, we have this option here called Contact Sheet. When we select that, we are presented with some more options. We get to play around with the number of columns and rows, the size of the document that you want to create, whether you want it portrait or landscape. You can play around with the preview widths and heights and the font sizes. You also have an option here to include a QR code, which I'm going to go ahead and tick. And you also get to specify what metadata fields you want to apply to this contact sheet. So all of the metadata values that are available to this particular user will be displayed here in this panel. So I'm going to go ahead and uncheck everything because I only need the account manager, the campaign name, the region, and the approval status on those metadata values. Moving down, you also get the option to include some dates. So you might want to, for example, include the date that that asset was created. Moving further down, you also have image info. So you might want some information about the actual image itself. So I don't know, the resolution, the color space, the image type, whether it's a TIFF or a JPEG, for example. And if you do have videos, you have some options here for video formats, and you also have some options here for audio formats. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Generate Contact Sheet, and that will go away and it will assemble all of those assets into a contact sheet for me and display them right here in the browser. And you can see we have our QR code at the top, we have our images, and then we have the metadata that we requested along with the file types and the document information. This image here has been timed out using the asset timer, so it still honours that image is unavailable. And you can see we've got 3 or 4 pages of information here. If you want to, you can also save this. I'm going to save this to my desktop. And you see that we have a PDF on my desktop over here. And if we open up that PDF, you'll see that this is a nicely presented PDF that you can email to someone or people can download themselves. But the other great thing is, apart from the QR code, you also have the option here to directly click on the links within the PDF, and that will take you directly to where that asset is stored in your Xinet system, providing obviously you've logged in. So that's a very quick summary of the contact sheet functionality that's now available. To set this up, you basically just need to go to your basket plugins and allow the contact sheet functionality in the basket for the particular user or group of people that require that functionality.